Today I'm gonna be installing this hair sent to me from Yolissa Hair company. And yeah, overall I have so many good things to say about this wig because this is their BODYWAVE 20 inches, 180 density. And overall the wig is pretty nice. Like the hair is soft. I'll give them that. The hair is pretty soft. I didn't have much problem installing it because it was a closure wig, so it was pretty easy to install. And yeah, I really do love this hair. Like, it's very soft. I don't get tangling or shedding. I didn't even have to pluck the hair, to be honest. Like, the hairline on the closure is very natural, so I didn't really have to pluck it. I didn't really do much to it, but apply it, you know, make baby hairs and whatever. But overall, I really do love this wig because, like I said, it's 20 inches, but it's giving 22. So, 20 inches. And it's not like those other wigs that come BODYWAVE. The ends are like thin at the end. They're pretty thick at the ends. The ends are pretty thick. So look, they have full ends. And that's probably my most favorite thing about this BODYWAVE wig soon, and add like some highlights or whatever. But other than that, I think y'all should go cop this. Some affordable hair. It's their 20-inch BODYWAVE and 180 density and a 5x5 closure. And this is how much space you're getting from here to here. So that's like a lot of room. You can actually do this in the side part, but I chose not to. But I'm actually gonna do that in my next style. When I reinstall this and add the highlighted streaks, I'll actually probably make a video on that. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into this.
Serenitysjt.